The tax withholding estimator tool is unrealistic. Everyone does not get a refund, and some of us actually owe. Okay, you can still level up. Let me show you. All right, guys, so we're going back to the IRS website and back to the IRS tax withholding estimator. So in this example, I'll do a person who is single, no kids, and making a pretty hefty salary. One job, which is an hourly job, they're going to keep this job all year and paid every 2 weeks. Okay, so let's say that this person makes $3,333 per pay period. So year to date, they've already made over $16,000. They make $80,000 a year and pay $300 per pay period in federal taxes. That's $1,500 year to date. They don't contribute to a 401k or HSA or not getting any bonuses, and they don't have any other sources of income. No adjustments to income, and they are going to take the standard deduction. Oh, and no tax credits. Here is the results page. Oh no, they are expected to owe $2,574. Let me point this out because I have to point this out every W-4 video. Look at what it says. Important note, the accuracy of this estimate depends on the accuracy of the information you provide, okay? No guarantees about the accuracy of this estimate and accepts no liability resulting from your use of the estimation. Check it out. All you have to do is scroll up. Adjust your results to avoid owing a balance. Whoa! Okay, I'm being silly and somebody's going to be offended by that. But check this out. Use the slider below to select the approximate refund amount you'd like to get. And you can get up to $3,000 even though you owe by just sliding this tool. Okay, now let's say you want to get $1,500 underneath it. Okay, so you got to keep scrolling up. For a refund of $1,500, it tells you exactly what to do on your W-4 form. You will need $500 withheld from each check, which is $200 more than what you're already paying if you want a refund. And that's just one option. Keep scrolling up and look how to adjust your withholding. Hit that little plus sign and it tells you how to print off the paper form and exactly what to do step by step. I'm running out of time. I want to do a part 2 to this video because paying more in taxes isn't the only option. So like, follow, share for part 2.